You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly. I said correctly, even though there are different pronunciations in English. But let's break it down so you know the whole thing, the whole story. Other videos don't cover it this well, so make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned too. Diphyodont is probably the more common pronunciation in English, British English, and also in the US. Diphyodont with a stress on the first syllable and a D sound to start with. Diphyodont. Now, it can also be pronounced, and it's also quite commonly pronounced as diphyodont. So a di sound and then the stress on the phi syllable rather than the first syllable. So, diphyodont, yes, that's correct. Or diphyodont. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments, but now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.